Castor Oil 7-day effects, what people should know before trying it. Your body reacts faster than your expectations sometimes. I learned this when I started looking into natural oils after hearing so many mixed opinions online. Some people talked about castor oil like it was a miracle. Others warned about using it too quickly or too often. So I decided to understand it properly instead of believing extreme claims. Castor oil comes from castor beans and contains a compound called ricinoleic acid. According to research in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, castor oil has traditionally been used as a stimulant laxative for short-term relief of constipation and also as a topical oil for skin and hair hydration. That already tells us something important. It is not a daily performance booster. It is a biologically active substance that affects the body in noticeable ways. The speed of result people talk about is mainly related to digestion. Castor oil may stimulate intestinal movement in some individuals, which is why effects can appear relatively quickly compared to many other natural oils. But this speed is also why caution is important. According to Mayo Clinic information on laxatives, stimulant laxatives should not be used frequently without medical guidance because overuse may lead to dehydration, cramping, or electrolyte imbalance in some cases. That is where many mistakes happen. People assume natural means safe anytime in any amount, but natural substances can still be strong on the body. When I looked deeper into it, I realized something simple. Fast reaction does not always mean better health results. Sometimes it just means the body is responding strongly to a stimulus. During a short personal trial, I noticed how quickly people can misinterpret effects. One day of change becomes a transformation story online. But real physiology does not work in 24-hour emotional highlights. Castor oil is also used externally. Some studies and dermatology references mention its use in skin hydration and hair conditioning because of its thick, emollient texture. However, scientific evidence for dramatic cosmetic results is limited compared to commercial claims. This is why expectations matter. Another important point is hydration balance. Because any substance that affects digestion speed may also affect fluid balance in the body, especially in older adults who are already more sensitive to dehydration risks. According to the World Health Organization, maintaining proper hydration is essential for healthy aging because fluid balance affects energy, cognition, and physical performance. Not every body reacts the same way. Some people may tolerate castor oil in very small, occasional use under guidance. Others may experience discomfort even with minimal amounts depending on sensitivity and health conditions. This is why self-experimentation without guidance can be risky. One mistake I see often is combining multiple natural remedies at the same time. People mix oils, teas, supplements, and diets all at once, then assume the body changes are caused by one ingredient. In reality, it becomes impossible to understand what is actually happening. My approach changed after that. Instead of chasing fast results, I focused on stable habits, balanced meals, hydration, sleep, and consistent nutrition instead of sudden experiments. Science supports that direction more than quick fixes. The NE and other medical references consistently emphasize that digestive health and overall wellness depend on long-term lifestyle patterns, not short bursts of strong interventions. Always ask your doctor first, especially if you have digestive disorders, kidney issues, or take regular medication, because individual health conditions can completely change how the body responds. Castor oil is not magic. It is a strong natural substance that deserves respect, not hype. If this video helped you, leave a like and share your experience below. Your story may help someone avoid a rushed decision. Healthy choices are about balance, not speed.